call despite staring at me all day.
Seriously, I wasn't looking at you. Imagine that Mildred was still the whole time.
Oh, come on, I wasn't born yesterday. I caught you side looking in my direction a few times.
That was because Mildred was sitting right behind you.
Okay. And after she left to join you?
Well, after she left, you kind of caught my eye, Pisa, so I couldn't help but steal a few glances.
And yet you refused to give me your number when I asked.
Abrante, you were too confident. Which guy will tell a woman we can become the best of friends if you exchange numbers? You could have complimented me on my looks first, perhaps strike a chat with me before you asked for my number.
Okay. Listen, babes. Maybe I'm abstract. The usual pickup lines don't work for me. I think it's all blasé, you know. Call it whatever. Moreover, I needed to leave you with something that you would remember about me after you leave. You, Bob?
That you succeeded in doing, because I kept thinking about it after the encounter.
Oh, so now you're flirting with me?
Oh, no!
Yes, darling.
Today has been heaven. Let's do this more often.
Don't worry, I'm always at your service. You'll be coming here every day.
Thank you.
It's gotten. You know what? It's getting late. Let's get home.
Love you. Thank you once again. I really enjoyed myself.
I also enjoyed myself, you know. It was a nice time. Gimme. Oh boy. Oh boy. I did. Great so. You want the kizoma? You naughty girl. Gimme. Huh?
Oh, am I interrupting something?
Your timing couldn't have been any perfect.
I'm sorry. I can see you guys had a good time.
We sure did.
You know, your mommy is a very good company.
Sure.
We enjoyed ourselves.
Thank you both for your compliments. But it's late. We can talk about my other attributes later.
All right.
I wanted to talk about something with you guys.
Oh, can't it wait till tomorrow?
It can.
Let's hear you.
Okay, so I wanted to ask for your permission to go on a date.
You mean like what we just had?
With who?
His name is Nick.
And how well do you know this Nick guy?
I met him through a mutual friend about a month ago.
And what does he do for a living?
He's in between jobs at the moment, but he's about to take up a job at one of the banks.
And how old is he?
28.
And he said he doesn't have any girlfriend at the moment?
Yes.
Why? I mean, why did he break up with his ex?
Abba!
Grace, let me tell you something. I don't want my daughter to date any guy who would break her heart. A heartbreaker is always a heartbreaker. And he would break her eventually.
That's quite a long sentence. You seem to be an authority on heartbreaks.
You know, I read a lot, you know.
No doubt. So, this is what couldn't wait till tomorrow?
No.
Okay. You have to introduce him first.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Go. Good night, baby. Good night.
No disturbance again. You know what? I don't want her to end up with a bad guy.
I know. But if the Mimi I know in other spheres is the same Mimi in a relationship, then be rest assured she will not settle for anything bad.
Well, let's hope so. Let's hope so. But then I really like the way she had the courtesy to ask for our permission. No, she could have lied to us she was going out with a girlfriend and ended up with a guy.
You see the kind of daughter I raised for you.
Thank you very much and God bless you.
You're welcome.
I have to pay you in kind.
Hi.
Yeah, baby, I'm outside.
Welcome. Please come in and meet them.
Come on, you know I can't come in. I told you I'm shy.
Come on. They don't bite. Utu no way na. In fact, you will love them.
I hear you.
Hello, Nick.
Hello, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
What can I offer you?
A glass of water will be just fine, Mom.
Just a glass of water?
Yes, please.
I can see you are a cautious man. You like to start from the neutral, eh? Okay. I'll get you a glass of water.
All right, Mom.
Mimi is about ready.
All right, Mom.
Okay?
Yeah.
Nick is handsome. You sure have good taste.
Mama, that's it. But I hope he's comfortable though.
Any doubt how I receive visitors?
Nope. Not at all.
Good.
Ma, what's Dan's impression of him?
Oh, your father was in the bathroom when he came in, so he's not seen him yet.
I hope he likes him.
Of course, I'm sure he will. All he wants is for you to be happy and safe. But no sex. Definitely not on your first date.
Of course.
Good.
But what makes you think I'm going to have sex with him anyways?
It happens, but make sure it happens on your terms. One step at a time.
I understand.
Control him.
Hey, Ma.
Control him.
Ma, thank you.
Mimi, look at you. I can't believe it. You've become a big girl.
Hello, lovely.
Hey.
Hi.
I've always asked you to call first.
Oh, I wanted it to be a surprise.
I could have been out of the house.
But you are not. I bought this for you. And then that.
Thank you. I'm sorry, but you would have to come some other time. I'm busy.
Oh, why? I mean, what are you doing? Busy doing what? I mean, you know me. Mr. Fast. It's gotten.
No. It's occupied.
Occupied? By who? I mean, what?
Babes, who's there?
I'm sorry.
Let me see here. Yeah, what the minister Canadian Lanka. When do I also come for mine? That's huh?
Go on, man.
Boss. Hey, my mom. What are you doing in my house? Listen, you want to add my daughter to your harem, eh? C'est pas possible. Not on my watch.
Look,
it's not going to happen.
we can make this simple. I can leave if you want me to.
No. We have to think of something better. Now sit down.
Hey, I can see you two are bonding already.
That's it. Mommy Grace, let me have a word with you.
We'll be right back.
Yes, Mom.
Wow, you're looking good. Oh yeah. I told you your father would like him.
No, not exactly yet. Still under consideration. I have a plan. Why don't you have your date here in this house?
What?
Yes, I'm going to provide everything you need right here in this house.
Dad, you can't be serious.
What?
Hey, Let's go. You are running late. Quick.
Nick.
Ma, where's Nick? I had the impression Nick was here in the sitting room.
He was here. Maybe he's gone out for a phone call or something.
How possible?
Go and look for him.
Wait.
Ma, he's not here either.
I'm sure he's in his car. Just join him and have fun.
Let's see her off.
Kofi, leave your daughter alone. She's all grown up. Look at her.
It's a father's duty. I'll go with her. Let me see you.
Okay, Ma, bye-bye. See you
Have
later.
fun, my dear.
It's not going through.
Switched off.
Give me the number. Let me try here. Senapa, your phone is off.
Did you forget something?
Nick is nowhere to be found.
What do you mean Nick is nowhere to be found?
Neither Nick nor his car is outside.
How is this possible? Did you look well?
Maybe he left for a reason. We tried his phone several times. It's off. Maybe he had an important call, so he had to leave.
Without a word to her or anyone. That's weird.
Or a blessing.
Kofi Simpson.
What kind of a man will stand up his date like this? Huh?
My dear.
Running away, nobody tired, no do. Nobody go chase him, go.
Don't ruin your makeup, my dear. He'll drive back any moment and give a good reason for his disappearance. You see. Let's go. Be strong.
Nick!
Why is this next guy doing this? Huh? A boofun. Next time, come and roll in my house.
Oh, Nick, you got us worried.
I went to buy MTN recharge card.
Okay, go.
I'll bring her back.
Take very good care of her for me. Me.
What is happening?
They are off.
To where?
Nick had apparently gone to buy some MTN recharge cards. Oh, you should have seen how Mimi flew into his hands. Into his warm arms. They make such a good couple. Hey, Kofi, Kofi, help! Kofi. What is it? No, someone help me! Help!
My heart.
VVIP.
Make her enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. Everybody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we do before we do the show.